Stop! What if I told you most students, professionals, and freelancers are wasting hundreds of hours every year researching the wrong way? They're opening 20 browser tabs, reading endless articles, copy-pasting notes. Almost everyone is still using research methods from 10 years ago, and that's costing them valuable time, and still missing important information. Meanwhile, some people are finishing the same research in less than 10 minutes using AI. Today, I'll show you exactly how. In the previous video, we learned AI, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, NLP, AI agents, MCP automation. Today, we're moving from theory to practical tools, and we're starting with one of the most powerful AI tools available today, Perplexity AI. What is Perplexity? Think about the last time you researched something important. You searched Google, opened multiple websites, compared conflicting information, took notes, double-checked sources, and maybe spent an entire afternoon doing it. Now, imagine doing all of that in minutes. Meet Perplexity AI, one of the most powerful research tools available today. Think of it as Google plus ChatGPT combined into one intelligent assistant. Instead of giving you links, it gives answers and shows you exactly where those answers came from. Google gives links. Perplexity gives answers with sources. Instead of search, click, read, compare, repeat. When you ask Perplexity a question, it doesn't simply guess. It searches multiple sources, analyzes information, cross-checks data, and creates a summarized answer. This dramatically reduces research time. Perplexity researches for you, cites sources, summarizes findings, and provides actionable answers. Let's imagine you're a student. You have an assignment on quantum computing. Normally, you'd spend hours gathering information. With Perplexity, you ask one question: explain quantum computing in simple terms and provide recent research sources. Watch what happens. Perplexity doesn't just answer, it provides explanation, references, research papers, recent developments. This is why students love it. Now imagine you're a content creator. You want to know the biggest AI trends in 2026. Instead of reading dozens of articles, now Perplexity gathers industry reports, news sources, expert opinions, market trends, instead of reading dozens of websites manually. Perplexity summarizes the most important information and shows credible sources. Business owners use Perplexity to analyze competitors, understand market trends, discover opportunities, and make data-driven decisions faster. Imagine launching a startup. You ask Perplexity, analyze competitors in the AI education market. Perplexity instantly helps identify competitors, pricing, features, market gaps, potential opportunities. This research previously required hours. But research isn't the only thing AI can automate. Meetings can be automated too. Now let's talk about Fathom, one of the most underrated AI productivity tools. Fathom automatically records meetings, creates summaries, extracts action items, highlights key decisions. Imagine attending a 1-hour meeting. Instead of writing notes, AI creates them automatically. It's like having a personal assistant attending every meeting. Imagine finishing a 1-hour meeting. Instead of manually writing notes, Fathom creates them instantly, saving time, improving accuracy, and increasing productivity. How it works: 1. Meeting starts. 2. Conversation happens. 3. Fathom listens. At the end, summary generated. Tasks identified. Important moments highlighted. Minutes of meeting automatically created. It's a huge productivity boost. How to make money with these tools. These skills aren't just useful, they're profitable. Businesses pay for research reports, competitor analysis, market intelligence, meeting summaries, documentation services, and AI-powered productivity systems. Many freelancers already sell research services, competitor analysis, market reports, business intelligence, meeting, documentation, knowledge management. Students can use it. Professionals can use it. Business owners can use it. Freelancers can sell it. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Trusting AI blindly. Always verify important information. Mistake 2. Using generic prompts. Be specific. The quality of your output depends on the quality of your input. Mistake 3. Not checking sources. Sources matter. Today we learned how to research smarter. In the next video, we'll enter the world of AI design. You'll learn. You'll learn how to create stunning images, professional thumbnails, brand logos, marketing content, and social media designs using AI. We'll cover Midjourney, DALL-E, and Canva Magic Studio, how to create professional graphics, and how people earn money using AI design tools. If you're enjoying this series, subscribe and continue your AI mastery journey.
If you are serious about your future, like, share, and subscribe. You grow, I grow. Let's grow together.